Good job, little lady. Pull the thing.
So let go with your right hand and pull that thing. You'll be fine. You're completely connected.
Remember the little red piece of rope?
It's on your right side, Zoe.
Right in between your legs. There you go. Woo!
Look at you.
No scream, Zoe?
Come on. Scream for us, please.
Hold up higher, Zoe. Hold up higher.
Yeah, what?
Hold up higher, Zoe. That tells me it's fine.
Go ahead and, what are you guys stepping on the rope? What's going on over there?
Yeah. Let's wrap it around his leg and make him go up the other way. The swinging's not as fun that way.
Wave to your camera here. I think your dad's gonna say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Aw. Looking good as a flyer. All right. Is that good? Okay.